Hello. Today, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Oziri. Today we go discuss another defense wey person wey kpai person or person wey commit any kind of crime get. The defense wey we go discuss today na the defense wey dem dey call intoxication. Una know wetin be intoxication? You drink, you don go high, you don drink, you no know yourself again, na im be intoxication. As the thing sound for ear, no be so e be. E get eye wey law dey take dey look this defense wey dem dey call intoxication. The law wey talk about this defense of intoxication na our criminal code for section 29. Na that law talk about intoxication. Say you go drink, you go high. E no mean say intoxication no be only drink. You fit take kolos, una know the one wey be kolos, or you take igbo. Anything wey go high you, wey go make your brain comot from how God set am, go reset himself, na im law call intoxication. Now the eye wey law dey take dey look this defense be say, one, no be highness wey you give yourself. Wetin this one mean be say, for example now, you go maybe you go carry your Ferrari go hit am person, or you go kpai person, or you go do something. Then when police catch you, you go come say you bin dey drunk, you come say you bin high that time. Now wetin court go look be say whether this highness na highness wey you give yourself. And also some people, you go just dey on your own, you carry wetin go high you, you drink, carry kai you drink, you come high. Or if no be kai you carry kolos take, you take igbo, you carry your hand, you go take igbo come high you come go commit crime, come dey say you bin dey high when you commit that crime. The defense of intoxication no go work for you. I know why I dey outline this, because e no dey hard for una to talk say judge don collect bribe. E no dey hard for una to talk say lawyer don collect bribe. All this thing wey I dey talk, dey read am, dey think am, dey watch am, like dey watch my video as I dey talk and dey reason wetin I dey talk. You go get how the legal profession, how justice system dey work. But if as e dey like this now, you go party, you no know for the party dem carry igbo put for cake come high you for the igbo, cake come high you no know, you no carry for mind say na party dem go put igbo, nobody tell you, no know dem put igbo for you, you take, as you high you go carry am go commit crime. That kind case now, defense of intoxication go work, e go for you. Or as e dey like this, you go anywhere, person force you, dem force you, give you drink, dem force you carry something, say if you no drink am dem go do you something, you go drink am, or you go take that thing, you come high. That one na you go fit enter, you go fit use the defense of intoxication. No be intoxication wey you go give yourself, no be highness wey you go give yourself. You go see some boys say dem don take kolos, dem come dey on kolos, come dey do some kind things. When dem do am finish, or you go force mekwata person. As you force mekwata person, na for force mekwata dem dey always bring that defense of say I high. You and person go party, as una go that party, you take igbo, take enough things, you high well, as you come high finish, you come go force mekwata person, you come say you high. You no high, na highness. Law no dey see that one as high, say you high. This one na intoxication, na highness wey you give yourself. So the defense of intoxication no go work for you. Another thing be say, this intoxication now wey you say you high, the highness go be in a way wey be say the highness come comot your brain from the way wey God put am, come turn am upside down, come dey shift you dey go where person wey dey kolo mental dey. I no know if una dey understand wetin I dey talk. This highness now wey you wan rely on as defense, this intoxication, you go be happen to you in a way wey be say you no get your sense together again. Na when this defense of intoxication go work for you. Now you don know how the defense of intoxication dey work for you. If you no party, you know some of una sabi keep bad friends. Some of una know wetin una friends dey capable of doing. I hear say for some birthday now dem dey put igbo, dem dey put plenty things inside cake make people dey take. So if you go party, before you eat anything, ask question. Some of una too get long throat too, una too get long throat. No just go dey eat, go dey drink, so that dem no go put something for you, go come make you high, you come go dey misbehave from there, you commit crime. You wey dey watch our video, when you watch, share, no keep am to yourself. Thank you, bye bye.